okay. It's okay. I'm not some kind of a ghost, am I? I understand. I've not been around.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Quick unboxing video, guys. I just got 2 more packages on my doorstep, and I think it's a part of like the birthday stuff. I ordered like 12 or 13, like 14 new pairs of shoes.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
Off of these 3 websites for my birthday, and so they're all just finally like coming in. Really late, but coming in. So this makes 4. Still waiting on like the rest of them, unfortunately.
Show us what you got. 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 Show us what you got.
To be Only Makers shoe boxes. So let's see what I ordered.
Show me what's in there. Come on.
All right, I'm just gonna sit that there so you guys can watch me unbox. Wow. Shoe number 1. Whoa. Whoa. So it's this like black patent teal. Super beautiful. Just like, probably gonna show you guys tomorrow what it looks like on, but I just wanted you guys to see like the unboxing and like my initial reactions. So look at the quality. The inside is like lined in this like really fuzzy, warm, like fur, like soft fur material.
I'm impressed.
And this just looks absolutely beautiful. I actually think I got this boot from another website as well, or a similar cut in red. So I'm really gonna be excited to style that for you guys. Sorry I'm Wizard Kellying it right now. I just got out of the shower. Your girl is just on her natural beat, but I wanted to do an unboxing. Okay, the second shoe I have here, let's see. I'm actually, at first I was upset because I was getting the shoes like trickling little by little in the mail. Some of them are from like overseas, like Only Maker, I'm not sure. I'll check and I'll like list all the websites that I ordered from. But it has been kind of exciting getting like a shoe here, 2 shoes here, like basically like a gift every week, you know? It's like I forget that I ordered them and I just get them in the mail. Wow. This is insane. Actually, the first time I ever saw a shoe like this, it was like white leather. It was Steve Madden. It was like kind of a lower cutoff, but I just love like the small kitten heel and the lace. And I just wondered what would that look like in a rich kind of ruby, crimson, red for the winter time. Like, guys, these are fall, especially with my hair, guys. It's platinum blonde with like reds. Actually, it's so hot.
I want you to appreciate how freaking hot I am. Okay.
Hot.
So, also this is from H&M. Super cozy, super cute. Cute. Just oversized hoodie. I like to get them oversized, but yeah. I'm very, very pleased. As you can see, I have sort of an obsession with patents as of lately. And I'll just keep filming these little unboxings as the shoes come in. And I'll maybe just start shooting my outfits. But this is basically like my shoe inventory for this fall. I ordered all for my birthday as a gift to myself back on September 1st, and so I'm just getting my shoe inventory. I'm starting to put together some really cute outfits, and I just need to start shooting my fall looks and it's officially fall. Like, I'm the type of person, I will drag summer out. Like, summer's not over. Like, August is still midsummer to me. And September, like Brown University, first day of class is never till like September 9th. So this whole extended long summer is something I'm used to. But yeah, good night guys. Watching my birthday shoe tower slowly grow. This will soon be like 12 boxes and I can't wait to review them all for you guys.
Bye, have a great time.